Python. Iterators and Iterables. How to loop over lists and iterators. An iterable is an object that can return an iterator, while an iterator is an object that keeps state and produces the next value when you call the next method on it. In simpler terms, an iterable is an object that can be looped over, while an iterator is an object that produces the next value in a sequence. In this example, my underscore list is an iterable object. We can loop over it using a for loop. My underscore iterator is an iterator object. We can loop over it using a while loop and the next method. The output of this code will be. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.